GTA HVAC services, we're here today in Newmarket exchanging this water tank. Look what is coming out of the tank. It looks like blood, worse than blood. This is a reason why you need to drain your water tank every year and maintain your water tank. Don't just let it sit here for 15 years without doing anything to it. This is what the water looks like inside. So imagine you're drinking that, showering with that, bathing with like this is not good. Maintain your water tanks. GTA HVAC services.
Is your property summer ready? Book your service today. GTA HVAC services. Your comfort is our business.